So, welcome back to the channel, TN.Kass. Alright, so just got back from work and I ain't realized that golly, that my hairline was jacked. Alright, so what we're gonna do to fix this hairline? Let's get you up here, up here. And no, the shirt is not what I wore to work. Hey. All right, hold on. For this shirt to look decent, it has to be buttoned all the way up. But no, I did not wear this shirt to work. It was just something I threw on. But God dang. All right, so to save this, y'all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix this line up with these. Yes, yes, it's the magic tool. All right, so let's go ahead and go in this. All right, you definitely want to close up on this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start right here. We're gonna go slow for all the beginners. And I ain't doing the side of nothing, like I ain't no pro. We're gonna get this hairline right here. We're gonna even it out a little bit. Go slow. If you're a beginner like me, you could go for the sides a little bit, but I don't know, my clippers ain't good enough. They ain't sharp. And in reality, I really need a razor, cause my hairline grows back so quick. And it grows back so quick. Time for some road game. And that's pretty much what you want. You got the straight line. God dang. Oh my gosh. Dude. It looks better though. Roll game. Alright. You know what? I can't keep looking at this. I got the line. The side ain't there, but I ain't that good at cutting it. So this is just go maintain it until I go for that cut with a professional. I go for that cut. You know. So what you're gonna do, you gotta feed that hair a little bit. You gotta feed it. Woo. Believe me, this hair should have been fed a long time ago. I'm gonna rub it together. Wow, this freaking sleeve ain't even button. Yeah, dang, looking crazy on the screen. Pretty much. Get that going a little bit. And honestly, one thing I noticed when I use the sponge, it actually, if I do it hard enough, it actually starts breaking off my hair. So right now I'm just gonna do my palm. You know, just rub that together. You can also, yeah, it's a gentler way to not break your hair off, seriously. So that looks That looks better. See, it's much straighter. And if you need to touch it up a bit, go ahead, get in there. Alright. Do not be afraid to get in there. Do not. Alright. So, alright, there you go. There you go. Ain't too bad. Ain't too shabby. If you want to get the corners, you could do like that. You know, it goes in an angle though, so that hairline go right through. So that's what you gotta do. Get that corner, make it sharp, and you see, you just follow the hairline from your last cut. Make it sharp though. That's all you do, you just follow it. So. Don't push your hairline too far back, that dang it. You're gonna be mad, and mad. But go slow on that. You know what I'm saying? You ain't trying to get that corner right. Yep. Alright, and push it down. Alright. Hey, she. That last couple of days. But yeah, my hairline grows back super fast, so I gotta get a razor soon. Make that last a little better. Make that last longer. It'd be sharper too, a bit sharper line. But yeah. What can you do when you got cheap clippers? Alright, so like the video, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And I just got me some new boots. Let's go show you off real quick. Look at that. You know what made me get these bad boys? I got them for Ariat. Tommy from Martin. That's what made me get these bad boys. I seen these on Tommy. I was like, alright, yeah. Alright. We about the same size. Had to grab me some of these. Alright, I'm out.
Inside my car, I gotta go.